So first of all, I have to move stuff out of the way. I may have to go change clothes. It's kind of warm in here. But I'm going to move stuff out of the way and get to work. Okay, here's my pile of doors. Lots of them, aren't there? It says volumes for the storage of the silver streak. So door number 1. That one off. Should have a jar to put these screws into. I'll probably find something in here. I was going to put it in a bag, but I think a jar would be better. Oops. Really? Don't fall. Okay, and these are going in these. They're going in here. Okay, let me find something to put the screws in because I don't want to put them in a bag. Let's go over here and see what we have available. There should be something. Let's see, we got a thing of locks here I could dump. Not see any boxes. I'll just do that. Okay, so the screws can go in this little plastic bin. You know, I'm probably going to replace all these screws anyhow. They're rusted. They're not in good shape. But I still have to contain them in something. So that's what I'll do. And of course this has the magnetic end. And which door is this? Aha, see? I marked them all. So that's the right bathroom cabinet door. Right side, as you're facing the cabinet. Okie dokie. Get it hard to see. I did this with a drill, but the drill, when I tried it before, it just wanted to strip the screws, which was not a good thing. But all these latches and such will be washed and spray painted. I'm still trying to decide on the color of the spray paint. I have a few different colors I could go with, but I'm kind of leaning towards the bronze hammered nail finish. So, there we go. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. Be a good little camera. And I think it's important to be wearing gloves with this because of all this filth and dirt. Plastic box. Paper box. Okay, one door down. A zillion more to go. So I'm not going to take you through this whole process because that would get quite boring quite quickly. So I'm just going to stay in here. It's kind of warm, but we have, it's warm, but it's tolerable. So I'm just going to stay in here and get as many of these done as I can. Also, when I reinstall these, I'll have to remember that the hinges, see how nasty that is? That was from the kitchen. Ick. But that the hinges actually go to the cabinet frame and not the door. That is greasy. But that'll be nice when I'm done. In fact, you can see how nasty this whole door is. It's just like covered in grease. It also appears that some of these doors are going to need to be sanded down and puttied before painted. There's a lot of holes. Fortunately, most of them are not like this. And I should take these and set them aside in a different spot. Okay, so far this is how far I've gotten. Hinges and screws. And in case you're wondering, the temperature in here the temperature outside is 83 degrees. The real feel is 90. And the humidity is 76%, so it's pretty sticky. But next week we'll go back into the 90s and the triple real fill digits. So I thought today would be a good day to try to get this done. These are the planks for my floors. The gold thing is the curtain rods, which I have to refinish. And I still have more doors. That's the pantry door there. So I'm getting there. Yep, we're getting there. Yeah, sure, we're getting there. And this is a pantry door. I was going to take the shelves off, but you know what? I think I will wait until I'm ready to actually work on that door. That way, see right there, they're bracketed on there. They're bracketed on there, and then they screw down at the front. Let me see if I can find the front. They screw down here. So, yeah, that right there. So I'm just going to leave that on for now until I'm actually ready to clean and paint these doors. Because right now, my only interest right now is to get the hinges repainted, cleaned and repainted.